Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. 3 days transporter strike leads to inflation in vegetable prices. Goa vehicles carrying essential commodities stored in neighbouring states. Prices of essential commodities go up, customer suffers. High Court denies to hear meat traders' plea till 12th June. Goa Meat Complex imports beef from neighbouring states. Temporary relief to meat lovers. Traders not happy with beef quality. Demand to scrap MOPA and resume with Daboli Airport rose at Margao Mega Convention of People for Daboli Only. Minister Avitan Futado, Alina Saldana, Vijay Sardesai and Alex Reginald attend the meeting. Goa police yet to take action against PI Devendra Gad, whose inaction allegedly led to second murder at Mercedes. DIG SP dodge questions. Goa Football Development Council celebrates AFC Grassroots Football Day. GFDC plans structured development of youngsters. Now the news in detail. Days of restricted transport has sent prices of vegetable and fish sky high. Goods vehicles are being stoned and blocked across the borders. A comparison has revealed that prices of vegetables have gone up by 50 to even 100%. Shortfall in supply of vegetables and fish compelled many to stay away from major fish markets in the state. The restricted influx of vegetables and fish has led to vendors inflating vegetable prices. Meanwhile, Horticulture Corporation has succeeded in importing 33 trucks of vegetables from Belgaum.
In pursuit to find the ground reality of restricted supply in the market, Prudent spoke to various vendors in the market. Here is a comparison of the prevailing vegetable prices. Onion at the rate of horticulture is 15 rupees per kilo, and at market it is available at 20 rupees per kilo now. Potato 19 rupees, market rate 24. Tomato 19 rupees, market 28. Coriander 20, market rate 40 rupees. Carrot 33 rupees, market rate 60 rupees. Green chili 41 rupees, market rate 60 rupees. Ladyfinger 30 rupees, market rate is 60 rupees at present. French beans 55 rupees, market rate is 120 rupees per kilo. Brinjal 28 rupees per kg, and at market it is available at 40 rupees per kg. Spring onion 15 rupees, market price is 25 rupees per kg. And so on, the prices have shot up almost 50 to 100%.
ना आज आमकां भाजी रेगुलर येयल्ली आहा एवरीडे येता तशीच आयज भाजी येयल्या आनी सप्लाय सारकी आहा आमकां प्रॉब्लम काय ना रेट नॉर्मल आहा रेट एज पर युजुअल जसो आसता तसोच आहा रेट काय वाडूंक ना आमकां रेट तशेंच आहा आनी फाल्यां सुद्दां भाजी येतली आमकां काय प्रॉब्लम काय ना स्ट्रायकाचो बी
रेट सगळे म्हारग आसा कोथमीर 20 रुपया विकताले आज कोथमीर 40-50 रुपया आसा आनी कांद्याची चुडी 5 रुपया विकता 10 रुपया 20 रुपया म्हणटा बेळगांव मातशें कमी आहा
ते रिस्क घेवपाक सोदिना गाडीवाले म्हणटा कितें आमची गाडयो पडटा म्हणून आमी भरिना गाडी सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट सप्लाय तेंच्यान काय 2 दीस जाले सारके नील आसा सप्लाय.
The fish market of Panji and Madgaon have received only 3 to 4 trucks each of fish this morning. Fish prices are also witnessing a rising trend, compelling a major chunk of fishermen and people to go back empty-handed.
लोक नुस्त्याना म्हणायत घरा गेलो थोडो बेकार बाजारात बसून कितें करूंक काय म्हणून.
The wholesalers selling vegetables to 3 and 5-star hotels are the worst affected due to this strike. A wholesaler has complained of losing business worth 12 to 15,000 daily due to the restricted supply. However, the vegetable vendors have proved to be the biggest beneficiaries in this bargain. With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Beef crisis in Goa is temporarily solved. Meat is being imported from neighbouring states as the High Court had banned slaughtering of animals. Slaughtering of animals is now done outside Goa and the meat is brought in local markets for sale. Meat traders had approached the High Court for interim relief on ban, but court denied relief and refused to hear the plea till 12th June.
Meat traders on Wednesday had filed a review petition before the High Court for interim relief on slaughtering of animals at Goa Meat Complex. But High Court has refused to allow any kind of interim relief. Bench made it clear that it will hear the case on 12 June. With the acute shortage of beef in the markets and ban on slaughtering of animals at Goa Meat Complex, black marketing of beef had boomed in the state. At present, Goa does not have eligible animals for slaughtering. High Court has already banned the slaughtering. Now Goa Meat Complex has started importing meat from neighbouring states as a temporary measure. The import will continue till the complex issue is resolved. But traders are not happy with the quality of imported meat.
ते बरे इतले कंडिशन ना ते सगळे हे जाला गरमीन पिड्यार फ्रेश ना आमचे एकूच येयला ते एक पाडो मारलेला आयचे म्हणजे काबार जाले ते आतां फाल्यांचे पळया फाल्यां मारून दिवचे ना म्हणटा ते ताका लागून आमकां हांगा गोंयान फॅसिलिटी दिवपा.
Meanwhile, police recovered bones of cattle near Goa Meat Complex. Govansh Raksha Samiti had complained that illegal slaughtering is being carried out near the premises of Meat Complex. Police scanned the area but did not find any evidence of illegal slaughtering. Police arrested 4 people from a nearby hutment on suspicion. Later, they were all released after interrogation. Meanwhile, MLA Alex Reginald plans to file a review petition before the High Court praying for resumption of slaughtering at Goa Meat Complex.
I'm planning to file a review petition. Again, another review petition. It's already been, we are already working I'm trying to take the meat association in confidence, and we are planning to file another. The work is going on of the petition.
With the import of meat, the beef crisis temporarily seems resolved. Imported beef prices have touched 180 rupees per kilo on Wednesday. But how will the market respond to this imported meat? The traders and customers will decide. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goans for Daboli passed a resolution in their Margaon convention to scrap MOPA and continue with only Daboli Airport. The mega convention was held at Lohia Maidan on Wednesday evening. The convention was attended by Fisheries Minister Avitan Furtado, Environment Minister Alina Saldana, MLA Vijay Sadyasai, MLA Alex Reginald. Many leaders blamed government of cheating and misguiding people.
आमचो सरकार फटीकपणा उलयता की मोपाचो एअरपोर्ट येयलो उपरांत दाबोलीचो उरतलो ही निमेर फोट. Decree states that the airport was for civilian purpose.
आणि फकत दाबोली गोंयचे एकूच विमानतळ म्हूण मान्य करचें. मोपा विमानतळा खातीर जमीन घेवपाचें आनी हेर दुसऱ्यो कारभारो ताबडतोब बंद करच्यो.
जे मोपाचे चल्ला कितें पळय ते मोपा जमीन विकत घेतले एकट्यान जमनी आसा दुसऱ्या लोकांच्यो आनी तेजे पयशे दिता दुसऱ्यांकूच आनी तेतून मोठी व्हडली गोष्ट म्हटल्यार सगळ्यांचे चेक जितले काडल्या पळय ते सगळे लोक 14-15 वर्सां पयलीं मेल्यात आनी मेल्ल्या लोकांक चेक काडल्यात तेंच्यांनी. तेजे उदक करून ते जमनी राखून दवरल्यात आनी तेच भशेन आमकां शिकवण दिल्यात की ते जमनी जर दवरले जाल्यार आमची भुरगीं खातली आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांची भुरगीं खातली.
आतां 2014 वर्साक लोकसभेची इलेक्शन येतली आनी आमी सगळो लोक एकठांय रावन तुमकां त्या टायमार आमी दाखयतले. आनी हांव सांगूंक सोदता ते भाशेन मतांनी त्या पावलांनी चलचें आनी गोंयच्या सरकाराक दाखोवचें आमी गोंयच्या सगळो एकलो जावन आसा म्हूण गोंयचो पूत गोंयचे राखणदार.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.